table positioning lever is mainly used to move the stacker table up and down to allow for jump, clearance and lifting off a stack of paper. The pause resume button is mainly used to pause a job. When this button is pressed, the stacker will send a soft stop to the printer and the status light of the control panel will blink blue. To resume printing, press the same button once more. Also, the pause resume button can be used to send table to work position when MPS XL is in idle state. LED bar can show various information about the stacker. To use the sheet counter function, turn the fan adjuster knob until two dark blue indicator LEDs are on. Then press the pause resume button for approximately 5 seconds. The status LED will turn purple and the indicator LEDs will blink in sequence to show the stacker's sheet count. To understand what the sheet count is, count the blinks and sum up the values. Top LED represents 10 millions. Second LED represents millions. Third LED represents 100,000s. Fourth LED represents 10,000s. And the fifth LED represents thousands. In this case, last LED blinked once, which represents 1,000 sheets. Note that the sheet counter is a total count of the sheets that have run through the stacker, not a count of the current job. Next function is displaying of the fault codes. When a fault code is triggered on MPS XL, the status LEDs will turn red. To understand which fault code has been triggered, see which LEDs are lit and refer to a list of fault codes in the operator manual. Each LED has a value assigned to it. From top to bottom: 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. To understand the value of the fault code, simply sum up the values of the LEDs that are lit. In this case, fault code 2 has been triggered. If more than one fault code has been triggered, the status LED will blink red. To read all fault codes, toggle the table positioning lever to show the other fault codes. Use the pause resume button to clear all of the fault codes. Fault codes are displayed in order of occurrence and not in terms of priority. Next function of LED bar is displaying fan speed. The fan speed can be adjusted manually. In general, when using the stacker with printer that has a slower line speed or heavier media, specialty film or with large area coverage print, increase fan speed. For lighter media, reduce the fan speed. In any case, it is recommended to start with auto settings and only adjust the fan speed if stacking quality is not satisfactory.